Hi, my name is Tim. This video will give an overview of how to insert an image into a document in Zoho Writer. You can insert an image from your computer or from one of several internet sources. Here is the image library dialog. You open it by clicking the three bars in the top left corner of the page, then clicking the Insert tab. Click on the image icon. As you can see, you can insert an image from your computer by using the upload tab, from just about any website by using the From URL tab, from the collection of images you have stored in Zoho Docs with the My Library tab, from a collection of photos you have stored in your Google account by clicking on the Picasa tab, from Flickr's public gallery by clicking on the Flickr tab, or by doing a web search by clicking on the web search tab. You can watch this entire video and learn about each of these. However, if you do not want to watch the entire video, click on the links next to the item you want to learn more about. There's also a link throughout the video that will return you to this point in the video where you can choose another section of the video to watch. For the Upload tab, you can either choose an image to upload, and it will open a dialog that allows you to select an image from your computer files. Or you can simply drag an image to the dialog. Images need to be either JPEGs, PNG, BMP, or GIFs. The From URL tab gives you a text box where you can type or copy and paste the URL for an image. If the URL is correct, the image will appear in the dialog. I will use this URL for the image of this dog here, and I'll paste it. You can see the image of the dog appears. However, if you use a URL that is not specifically of an image, you will get an error message. I'll use this URL. See, it says we can't find the image at the URL. Please check the address for typing errors. Make sure the image is public. If your image is protected by a password or internet network, we will not be able to read it. So if you do not have a correct URL specifically for an image that is publicly available, you will get an error message. But let me go ahead and paste the image for this dog again. And so to insert the image, simply click the insert button. As you can see, the dog is now in the document. The My Library tab shows you all the images you have uploaded to Zoho Docs. There's a search field at the top of the dialog. Is based on whole words so typing only a few letters will not give you any results. So if I do like just a few letters and then hit search field, so it says no images available. However, if I use the word photo, I get this this image that has the word photo in the title that we inserted earlier. The drop-down menu to the right of the text field, this is for how the images are sorted. So first let me go back and pull up all the images. And so the choices are name A to Z or 0 through 9, name ZAA or 9 through 0, or you can do the oldest first or the newest first. The newest first is the default option. Each time the image dialog is opened, this will be how images are sorted when you click on the My Library tab. Change it, and this puts in the oldest first. And also clicking the plus sign, the add picture, opens the dialog for that was demonstrated earlier, where you can search through your computer's files to find the desired image. So to insert an image, you can either click on it and then click the insert button, or double click the desired image. The Picasa tab links to your Google Photos account. If you have a Gmail account, you have a Google's Photos account. The reason it's called Picasa is because Picasa was an old application for Google. Google no longer supports Picasa and has moved everyone's photos over to Google Photos. So the photos will be from your Google Photos account. The first step, if this is the first time you've accessed this particular tab, is to authenticate Google. So you do this by clicking the authenticate button, and then once you give it permission to access your Google account, and if you've already logged into Google through your browser, or if you've opened Gmail before doing this, then it's just going to go and use that particular Gmail account. So you would just click allow. However, if you want to use a different account, you either click your Google account in the top right corner, and then you either click add account or sign out. I'm going to go ahead and click sign out just so you can see the screen where you can sign back in or choose a different account. And I'm just going to go ahead and sign right back in the account I was using. If I do that and click allow, and here are my photos in my Google Photos account. And so, in the My Library tab, if you want to insert a photo, Either click on it and then click the insert button, or simply double click it. And then the photo is now inserted. The second time you go to the Picasa tab, you do not need to sign back into Google. It's already, once you've established the desired account, you don't need to keep logging in. In the Flickr tab, the search field is used to search Flickr's public image gallery for images that are related to keywords that you enter. So I'm going to enter the word dog and press the search button, and so then you have different images of dogs that are in the Flickr public gallery. And like Picasa and my library, to insert an image, you either double click it or click on it and then click the insert button. The web search tab allows you to perform a Google search for images. There's also a drop-down menu that allows you to choose Flickr, and search Flickr for the same term. So you can switch between images found through Google and images found through Flickr. And if you noticed, there's also one for Picasa. However, when you click on it, no images come up because Google has discontinued their Picasa service and access to the public image gallery for Picasa. So really you have two choices, Google or Flickr. And so once you, and like in all, pretty much the previous three tabs that we discussed, you insert the image by double clicking it or clicking it and clicking the insert button. This video was a tutorial on inserting images into Zoho Writer. Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe to OS College channel box and check out my other videos on YouTube.